paper airplanes, and this project was made by Kimberly and me.
The problem, does the design of the plane affect the distance of the plane?
3. The research. Ever wonder how an airplane stays in the air? The reason for this has to do with the forces of gravity and lift. Lift, air rushes over the top of the wings and pushes from below, lifts the plane up into the sky. Aerodynamics is a study of how air flows over and around a moving object, such as airplane, how air flows as air swings up and air pressure drops.
We believe that the distance will affect the paper airplane during flight.
Experiment. Put choose design. Test it out. Measure the distance. 5. Report the data. 6. Do 3 to 5 again with another person. 7. Do 1 to 5 again with a different designer.
This is our chart. Chart 1 is she has better strength. And number 1 it was the butterfly. Number 2 the basic square. 3 the chapter. 5 basic square. 6 start and 7 8.
Our hypothesis was correct that the design did in fact affect the distance of the plane. We had a lot of fun making paper airplanes and seeing the design affected the distance in a way we didn't think of.
Biography and credits. Paper airplane book from the library. Paper airplane model to build and fly. Also from the library. Gabriel and I did this project at school and partly at the library.
Wait, giveaway. Okay, this is our video.
Well, we'll place the video here so it's empty for now.
Yeah.
And now we're ending. Bye!
This is the basic dart, and this is trial 1. Take 1, basic dart. Okay, go, Kim. Go.
Trial 1.
Trial 1. Science project trial 2, basic dart.
What the